In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Deferit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to make sure your new card or bank account becomes the one Deferit uses going forward. Before we start, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and have your new payment details ready. First, open the Deferit app on your phone or head to the website in a browser and sign in. A stable internet connection helps prevent any issues while saving changes. The layout may look slightly different between app and web, but the steps are the same. Next, go to your account settings. On mobile, this is typically the profile icon or a menu button in the corner. Look for a section labeled Account, Settings, Billing, or Payments. If you don't see it right away, scroll. It's usually near your profile and security options. Now, view your current payment method. You'll find it under Payment Methods, Wallet, or Billing Details. Take a moment to check what's on file. Look for the card's last 4 digits or the bank account nickname. This is helpful to confirm you're changing the right one, especially if you have upcoming installments scheduled. To add a new payment method, choose Add New or Add Payment Method. Select the type you want to add, like a debit or credit card or a supported bank option. Enter the details carefully, including the billing address if prompted. You might be asked to complete a quick verification or a one-time security check from your bank. Only enter codes within the secure app or site. Never share them elsewhere. After adding, set the new method as your default. Look for an option like Set as Default or Make Primary and switch it on. This ensures future charges and installments use the new method automatically. If you have a payment due soon, updating the default ahead of time helps avoid failed payments or fees. If you want, remove the old payment method. Do this only after the new one is set as default and there are no pending payments tied to the old method. Some accounts require at least one active method on file, so if you get an error, keep the old one temporarily. Finally, confirm your changes by tapping Save or Confirm. You should see a success message or receive a